burpees. Everyone's doing a flipping wrong. What's up guys, Max here, Muscle World, and before I get started with this video, cue that intro. Talking today about burpees. Reason why is because everyone's doing a flipping wrong. Started off doing burpees back in the day, 15 flipping years ago, training in a leisure centre, doing circuit training, we did them properly. All the way down, using your legs explode. I don't know what's happened. I'm not sure if it's somebody's just the whole thing. And the fact is, you've got trainers now who are actually telling you to do it wrong. So if the trainers aren't doing it right, and they're coaching people, they're learning off Instagram, if they're not getting it right, and they're coaching their clients to do it, the clients are getting it wrong. It's this endless circle where everything's going wrong, nobody's doing it properly. So the fact of the matter is, they're a load of and all you can do with those is hurt your back eventually. You're not getting a training benefit from them whatsoever. I haven't done cardio for years. I weigh 105 kilos. Piece of cake for me, no problems at all, not even out of breath. This next way of doing it is I'll show you how to use your legs. So you go down, hands on the floor, feet out, in, jump up. Powerful and explosive. If you want to make that more advanced, you go down, hands on the floor, feet out, press up, down under control, chest touch the floor, press up, knees back in, jump up. As you can see, it's all about control, it's all about using the target muscles, which is primarily the legs, squeezing the glutes, keeping your body nice and tight, keeping your core nice and tight to protect your spine as well. Jumping up, exploding up through the legs, fully extending and going up as high as you can. Nice landing, then bending your knees, and then repeating the process back down. Pick the first version if you want to, slightly easier. If you're able to do press ups, move on to the second one. If you can't do press ups, if you're not strong enough to do a press up, chest to the floor, extending the arms, then don't bother doing that one because you're going to end up using your hips. The reason why those other exercises are done is because it's human nature and the body's way is always to try and find the easiest way of doing things, taking shortcuts, which when you're doing exercises, you don't generally want to find a shortcut. You want to tax yourself and you want to work yourself hard. Anyway, thank you for watching guys, take care of yourselves and have a great day.